Hello everyone, today we are going to unbox this sponsored product from Holystone. This is HS460 model. So let's open and see what we got inside the package. So here, once you open it, you get a really cool looking case. I can tell you this is one of the best case I ever seen for the price point of these kind of drones. Usually they are a little bit cheaper, but this one, it has kind of leather texture and it feels really nice. So let's open and see. Over here you have the user manual, and let's see what else we got. We have some accessories. This is the drone, this is the remote, and so far nothing else in the box. So let's check what we have here. Let's start with the remote, the drone. Let's see how small it is. You can see it is just a little bit larger than palm of my hand. So it has a camera. It can go up and down like this. And once you want to fly it, you would extend the arms, the top first, bottom second. And once you do that, it will look like this. And let's see what else we have in the box for this. I assume this has the extra battery or just the battery. Let's see. The charging cable, the battery, some other stuff, and a charger. So here you have, it seems, let's see how many battery. It seems only one. So you have single battery here, and I assume this is, so once you are ready you would just place it in like this, and it will be ready for action. And once you are ready you can just press this button and take it out. Okay, and there are some spare propels, I assume. So let's quickly see how many of them. Yes, so these are the spare parts that you might need in case you break them, and it seems there are 8 pieces. So I'm going to just power this on, show you guys how it works. Once you are ready, when you turn it on, you will see it just lights up. And I just wanted to show you guys quickly the some of the feature. When you press this down, you will see the camera angle is just changing, it's going down, and you do the opposite, it can look straight. So once you are ready to fly it, you can place it on a kind of flat surface and just make sure nothing around it, so the propels are working fine. So you can press this button, it will turn all the propels, and then you press again, it should take off by itself just like that. And once it's take off, you can see you can do a bunch of different options. Let's say you want to rotate it, you would use this button here on the left side. You will turn it, you can see it easily rotates, and you can continue doing that. That is very responsive. I'm not going to fly too high, it's a little bit windy, so I can just show you guys some of the features. So when you want to control it, it is really responsive. You can see it just flies really nicely, very easy, immediately reacts your calls. Very cool operation. I really like the way it just goes. Look at this, it's very smooth and really fast. And when you press this down, it has speed mode, it changes the speed, so that is going to affect the way it just reacts, the way it goes back and forth. Overall, you can see right now I'm not doing anything and it's just trying to stay where it is, so we can just push it a little bit up so you guys can see easily. You can see, I hope you can see because of the shadow, probably not, but you can easily change the camera angle like I show you guys right now. It's pointing all the way down. So it has an application. You download the application and connect with Wi-Fi, then it will uh, you will be able to take pictures and videos. Overall, really cool drone for the price point. I really like it. Let's say, right, I wasn't able to just control it easily and I just crashed it. So once it crashed, if it's not leveled, it will show you this red light. But let's say somehow it was able to land on its four legs and it's still showing you the green light, you can still lift off. So let's see, you press again, then you can manually lift off, and works really cool. You can take pictures, you can see how well it goes, very easy to maneuver around. I really like how responsive it is, and it is good for the price point. It has an HD camera, you can record and take pictures, really cool. One of the downside, it comes with only one battery. I wish it came with two batteries so that you would be able to like fly it longer. But even with one battery, you have about 20-25 minutes flying time, which is cool, which is fine. But if you want to get extended battery, you can purchase additional battery to increase your flight time. But overall, you can see very responsive, really cool. It just goes really nice and easy. So I just want to show you right now. You can see it is showing red light. It means the battery is running out. So once you see that it is running out, it will just land by itself. You can see I'm not doing anything, I didn't do anything. It will continue a little bit and it will just land by itself. So as you can see, it just land, and over here you can also see the battery level. It shows uh, how much battery you left. You have one LED light showing, so that's what it is. So over here you can see how compact unit. Once you are done, you would just close it and put it away. It can even, let me see if it's gonna fit in my pocket. So let me show you guys. It was able to fit in my pocket without any difficulty. You see, it's like kind of pocket size. You can just put in your pocket and move with it. So overall, really cool unit. I really like it. I hope you guys will like and enjoy it as well. Thank you for watching.